What's up guys and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but I was so excited when I walked in. I noticed a couple items that I was like, I've never seen these before. And at first I was like, there's no way that thing is $1.25. And then I walked over to it and we finally got the Dollar Tree Plus section in this particular dollar store. I have yet to see one in person. I've seen people talk about them on YouTube, but I've never seen one in person. And let me just tell you, if you haven't seen one yet, oh my goodness, mine was kind of blown. It really kind of reminded me of a Five Below, but better, I feel like. I'm not a huge fan of Five Below. I don't know what it is, but I feel like their stuff, I feel like they mark everything up to like $5 and its quality just isn't there. But I was so excited. Okay, I'm gonna show you this first item. This was what kind of drew me in. And I looked at it and I was like, I need that. So this is this cute little lantern right here. It's a little solar lantern. And it's got the plus, and this was $5. And then you put a battery in here. I haven't tried it yet. I sure hope it works. My plan is to kind of make over my patio. We are getting in the almost triple digits here in Arizona, so we're gonna be starting to swim soon and hang out outside. So I wanna kind of do a little makeover on my little patio area, so stay tuned for a future video on that, because I did find a couple items that I want to use for some DIYs out there. But I was so excited about this little lantern. This is like really decent quality. It seems to be kind of like I think it's plastic, but it really kind of looks wood. I'm anxious to get this outside and see if it actually charges with the sun and to see if it works. First, I'm gonna kind of get into the other items that were $1.25, like the normal stuff. And then at the end, I'll go right back into some of the other plus stuff I found. And I'll also insert some video and show you guys like what I was seeing. Everything was so cute. I just wanted to grab everything, but I could totally see like when stuff is $5 a pop, like that will add up quickly. So you do really need to kind of look through and see what is really worth the $5. But oh man, I was so excited when I first saw this section. I was like kind of going a little crazy. First thing I got were these scrub buddies. These are kind of boring, but it's something that I need. They're just little sponges. But it says they have a nail guard. I don't know. They have kind of like, it's kind of like a hole here. So I don't know if that's like where you put your fingernails. So it's kind of supposed to protect them a little bit. Side grooves protect nails against scratches. I don't know. Anyways, I thought these were kind of cute and I liked the bright colors and the pink. I thought these would be good for summer. Next random little thing I found was a contact lens case because, you know, you always need these. And I thought this one was so cute with the leopard. Then I did also pick up 2 of these little solar lanterns because I've seen some of the cutest DIYs with people using these. So I want to try to make a couple of my own. And I will say, if you go in looking for some of these, there are 2 different sizes. So these are the bigger ones. And then they had a bunch of other ones that they're just a little bit shorter, and this part is a little bit smaller, but they look identical to this. So you kind of have to look out, because I had one of each and I was like, wait a minute, I want matching ones. So I had to dig for another big one, but they're the same price. So yeah, you might want to just be aware of that. And think, gosh, okay, this was so random. You never know what you're gonna find there. So I don't know if you guys have seen, but on TikTok, well, I'm not even on TikTok, but I've seen people talk about it on YouTube that have seen it on TikTok or whatever. This thing is supposed to be going viral right now. It is a facial massage tool. I've been wanting to order one of these on Amazon and I just haven't done it yet. And when I was perusing Dollar Tree yesterday, this was the last one. So I was like, oh, it was meant to be. It's one of these facial massage tools. Now, the ones that I've seen that are like viral are like actual rose quartz, and they're like, you know, like a stone. This is just straight up plastic, I think. But it looks identical. Like they're totally trying to knock off the rose quartz ones. It doesn't say what the material is, but I'm pretty darn sure it's just plastic. But what you're supposed to use these for is like put on your skincare or like facial oil, and you're just kind of supposed to rub it along your face like in different ways. It just says apply your favorite facial serum or moisturizer, then lightly massage the tool in long sweeping motions across cheeks, forehead, chin, and nose. And I don't know, it's just kind of supposed to like help the circulation. I think it's supposed to like tighten and tone. I mean, I don't know how much this little guy can really do, but I was super excited to see it, and for $1.25, I couldn't pass it up. Up next, I got 3 little bundles of flowers. I think these are so pretty. These are irises, and then these are peonies. I just loved the colors. I'm gonna put these out back. I have a little watering can that I'm gonna put them in and make that be like a little floral, little centerpiece. So I just loved these colors. Next thing I got was some really exciting, fun liquid hand soap refill. This is a huge size for $1.25. I use just regular soap in my bathroom, so I thought this was perfect. And it's soft soap. Isn't that a decent brand? I thought this was such a good deal for this big of a size. Next up, I bought these really cute little candle holders. I'm obsessed with these colors. I love the blue. My plan was to try to put the solar lights inside of these somehow. They don't fit perfect, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna look, but we're definitely gonna put these outside because I just love the blue color. Okay, that is it for my regular dollar stuff. Now we're gonna move on to the Dollar Tree Plus section, and you guys, I got these flip-flops. Yes, I already opened them because I've been wearing them. I wore them yesterday. These are so cute. These were $5. Look how thick they are. They're like decent support. They're really good quality, and they're super cute. I couldn't believe that these were $5. Now, I will say I bought a pair of flip-flops or a pair of sandals from Five Below. They were horrible quality. Like, they're super cute, but they are like the worst quality in the world. Like, it's like walking on nothing. But these, I was shocked. These have like, I mean, decent little like gripping on the bottom, and they're like thick. So yeah, I was blown away. They had these in a couple different colors. They actually had a bunch of different cute shoes. If you guys have a plus section in your Dollar Tree, go check out the shoes. So this next one, this was in their Dollar Tree Plus section, or craft section. So this is just a little wood panel, they're calling it, and it was only $3. This is an 11, is it 11 by 14? Yeah, 11 by 14. And it's just a wood panel. And on the inside, it kind of has this little lip here, like, I suppose if you want to hang something. But I've seen a lot of people do different, like, you know, like put something on this part, and then it's got like a little like a frame. So I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with this, but I will probably make some sort of sign to put out back on the patio. So stay tuned for that video. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, but I thought $3 for this big piece of wood was such a good deal. And then last but not least, this was in the plus section as well, and it was $5. I don't quite know if it was worth $5. I feel like it is because wood is kind of expensive these days. It's just a little tray, a wood tray. It's huge. So it's a really good size, and yeah, not much to it, but I plan on doing something cool with this for my patio as well. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna put something inside here, like a decal or something, or if I'm just gonna paint it. I have yet to decide. So they have a bunch of different cute little wood trays in their $5 section, so definitely check that out. So for everything, I ended up spending like around $35, I wanna say, and I don't think that was bad. I mean, I got some decent items that, you know, elsewhere, I mean, that lantern at Walmart would probably be like $12 to $15. So I don't know, I think $5 is a pretty good deal. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have checked out the plus section in your store, what you think. I was pleasantly surprised, and I thought they had some really cute stuff. So I was very excited to kind of walk around and look at everything. I was overall pleased with it. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming DIY videos. And I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye. Oh, and for those of you wondering, I am 25 weeks right now, and you guys want to see a little bump update, I will show you. Here is the belly. She is getting big. Oh my goodness. I am almost in my 3rd trimester. I'm getting super duper uncomfortable. Yeah, she's definitely growing in there. and I'm feeling her move all the time. And we are about 3 months away from meeting her. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. It's going by so fast. So yeah, that's that. All right, guys, we will see you all soon. Bye.